Hi, welcome to Artistic Documentation. In this video, I will show you that how to transform the software engineer's CV or resume to electronics engineer resume. So I should change something here, cause suppose anyone of picked up a software engineer resume. So how does he change about his subject CV or resume? So here I am changing the electronics and electrical engineer like triple E. So first of all, I will just change the subject name rather than the personal name. Now come to the mobile phone number. I have just changed it because this is my current session number. And now come to the topics like his prime project according to the varsity or according to the internship session. So as an intern, he has declared some automated the later generation process mail merge, like it's a project about the software engineer. So I will change it for the electronics engineer. So how does I change? So I'm just changing some most profitable project or most common project, and now you can see that how does I change it. So here currently is the automate the later generation process using mail merge, and I am giving here the automated vehicle brakes transmission. This means the automotive mobile communication system, mobile vehicle communication system, which is directly work for vehicle brakes, like any kinds of obstacle comes to the vehicle, comes in front of the vehicle or backward the vehicle, this vehicle will make it safe for his passenger or for the vehicle its own self. Now another is the created common component using React, which is used across the project, and I have changed it the created common component using the Arduino and sonar, which is used across the project. Yes, the sonar is the distance measurement sensor. Now come to the optimize the code to increase the efficiency of the distance and measurement, because the measurement of the distance and efficiency is required for the automated vehicle program. Now come to the work on the algorithm for calculation of distance. Yes, the calculation of distance algorithm is work for the upside optimization the code, like to increase the efficiency. Yes, at the same time, Arduino project or Arduino sensor can take up the 128 data or 256 data at a time in second to calculate the measurement and send the accurate guideline or accurate distance measurement to the Arduino, and we can fetch the data in our PC or in our display, like you should see, or you can see inside the developed car, and there is a screen, and if it is automated, so the screen will show you some distance measurement approximately. Now come to the used as your interconnected component from web apps to electronics. Yes, this is the integrated web app system, like which is connected from Arduino based program to Azure web apps from connected through server. So this all over the project details. I have changed from software engineer to electronics engineer. Now I am changing just the minor project like automated obstacle detection system, near about same as the working project as an intern, because your university minor project is depend on the selection of intern project. And the reactive spring application using Docker. Here it's for the software engineer, and I am changing it reactive distance measurement system. So this is behind the electronics engineering system. Now come to the API to Arduino connection system. So this is, I have already discussed with you that how does a API connected to Arduino based program. Yes, this is the integrated program. Obviously there is no system about directly connected with the Arduino to API, but we can connect it through the server means the Arduino can fetch the server system and send the data continuously, and we can take the data from that server to connected our API. This is the way that how we can connect it or select the data from Arduino that is fetching the real-time data, and we can use our software to analyze and make the correct or easy solution according to this project. So thanks for visiting us, and hope you like this project or like this video, and it is near about very helpful for the electronics and electrical engineer, because they cannot use the reactive message in their resume, and sometimes it's not become a professional. So for this reason I have tried this, and I hope you guys learn it and use it for your career. Thanks for visiting us again, and welcome to artistic documentation. Bye bye.